It's probably not the biggest surprise, but did you know that your toilet tank is one of the dirtiest spots in the bathroom? Do you really want to touch it? There's a reason why there are so many touchless flush devices commonly used in shopping malls, hotels, and other public places. Of course, these are built-in models that will cost you a lot of money to install. So this begs the question, are there any touchless flush models for home use? Well, yes, but you'll either need to roll up your sleeves and dive down into that filthy water tank yourself to install it, or hire an expensive plumber to do it. Not ideal, especially if you goof it up. But fear not, there's a much better solution. With our touchless sensor, all you need is a strip of tape to fix it to the base. Gently wind it down into place. And voila! There you go! You didn't even need to go near the inside of the water tank. How amazing is that? Not to mention, you've got full flush and half flush options to choose from. Perfect for that water conservationist in you. When the low battery light comes on, it's time to charge, but no problem. Just remove the sensor to do so and use your toilet the old-fashioned way. When charging is done, simply put it back and turn it on. Nothing could be easier. The touchless flush helps maintain great hygiene and significantly reduces the risk of infection.